The most important piece of information that every trader wants to know is, where is the market going today? Well, nobody knows where the market is going to really go, but we can know where the market is likely to go. So let's first determine where the market is likely to go and use these determinations as targets. Typically, the previous day's close is always a target, and I put this on my chart every day, marking where the market closed the previous day because it's a target. I also place the Taylor trading zone on my chart because the market is typically going to trade within this trading zone and within this range. Other targets are the absolute resistance and support of the trading zone. But these are not hard, fast numbers. We have to be able to be flexible in our thinking. So, first of all, we want to be able to see if the market is going to hit these targets. Now, the market opened up right here at 49.23 on Wednesday, January 24th. Came down, hit the target at the Taylor calculated resistance at 49.17. Briefly dipped below that, back up to that same 29.17 target, and then traded up for the day. But then came back down to the target and ultimately reached the ultimate target of the day, which was the previous day's close. So these are targets: the Taylor calculated resistance, the previous day's close, and the Taylor calculated support. Similarly, on Thursday, January 25th, the market opened right about over here at 49.19, traded up and down for the day, up and down. Where did it actually hit? It hit one of the targets, the Taylor calculated support at 49.07, and then ultimately the previous close at 48.99. So it's always important to know the targets of the day. Doesn't mean the market is going to reach it, but generally you need to know where the targets are, and if the market does reach them, and you'll see that it does more often than not, you can place your trades with the determination that prices will eventually hit our targets. So that's my video for today, January 25th. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Trade safely, use lots of patience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.